This question is from GATE 2019 Mechanical Engineering paper of set 2. The question says the directional derivative of the function x square plus y square along a line directed from origin, that is 0, 0 to 1, 1, evaluated at the point x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is. So we are given 4 options here, among which we need to find which is the correct one. Now before proceeding further, let's understand what a directional derivative is. So directional derivative. Let this axis represents the rectangular coordinate system x, y, z. Now suppose this green surface here is given by z is equal to f of x comma y. That means z is function of x comma y. And suppose you are given a vector something like this here. Suppose this is a vector. Now suppose you are standing somewhere here at point P. Now the concept of directional derivative simply means that the slope of this function f of x comma y, when you are standing at this point A and facing the direction given by this a vector, that is the physical, or I can say that is the geometrical meaning of this directional derivative of a function f of x comma y in the direction of a vector. Mathematically, directional derivative is given by gradient of f x comma y dot product with unit vector of a vector. So like this. So this is called the directional derivative of the function in the direction of a vector. In our problem, the value of the function is given. So f x comma y is equal to x square y square, and actually if you see, the value of a vector is also given from point 0, 0 to 1, 1. So we can write a vector as a vector is 1 I cap plus 1 j cap, or so sorry, this is a vector. So this can also be written as a vector is equal to I cap plus j cap. So these are the given information in the problem itself. Now you can pause the video here, and with the help of this given information and the concept explained above, you can try to solve this problem, and if needed, you can further see the solution. Now let's continue with the solution of this problem. Now the directional derivative is given by, we have already seen, grad of f dot a cap. Now first we will find this grad of f here. So the gradient of any function is given by grad f is equal to dou by dou x, that means partial derivative of the function with respect to x I cap plus dou by dou y f j cap, since the function is 2D function only. Now you see here, gradient of any function is a vector quantity. That's why we can take the dot product with the unit vector. Now the value of function is also given in the problem. So f is equal to x square plus y square. So if we calculate the gradient of this function f, we will have dou by dou x of x square plus y square I cap plus dou by dou y of x square plus y square j cap. Now this can further be written as, since we are differentiating with respect to x here, y will be constant and this will be 2x I cap, and here this function will become, this derivative will become 2y j cap. This is the grad of f. Now we need to find the unit vector of a vector. So let's write it here. A vector we already know, a vector is equal to I cap plus j cap. So unit vector of a can be given by a vector divided by magnitude of a vector. So a vector is I cap plus j cap, and the magnitude of this vector will be square root of coefficient of I and j here. So 1 square plus 1 square, that will be square root of 2. So 1 by 2, sorry, square root of 2 I cap plus j cap. And now this is the unit vector of a vector. Now if we calculate the directional derivative, we will get gradient of f dot a vector, unit vector. So gradient of f we have already calculated as 2x I cap plus 2y j cap, and this with a dot product with 1 by root 2 I cap plus 1 by root 2 j cap. So the dot product we will multiply I with I cap with I cap. Okay, so the same direction multiplication we do. So this will become 2 by root 2x plus this was multiplied by this, and this will be multiplied by this, plus 2 by root 2 y. So this is the directional derivative, or I can write grad f a vector a cap. Now we need to find the directional derivative at point 1 comma 1. So this at 1 1. Now we will substitute here the value of x and y as 1. So 2 by root 2 into 1 plus 2 by root 2 into 1. So this will become 4 by root 2 or 2 root 2. So the directional derivative grad f dot a cap is equal to 2 root 2. And this is our final answer. Now let's match this answer with the given options. So we can see here that option C, 2 root 2, is the correct choice. If you wish to know more about directional derivative, you can follow the NPTEL course of Integral and Vector Calculus by Professor Hari Shankar Mahato of the Department of Mathematics, IIT Kharagpur. Hopefully I was able to clear your doubt. Have a great day. Thank you.